March marks the arrival of spring here in the South, and its entry is often characterized by the old saying, "In like a lion and out like a lamb." It often begins with harsh, windy, and sometimes rainy weather, then transitions to a much milder, gentler pattern. Typically, March's arrival differs from year to year as nature decides the course of entry when making its debut. It's the month we witness our gardens return to life from a dormant state and denotes new beginnings after winter's repose. A time when we anxiously await the arrival of unfurling, vibrant spring green foliage and other colors that emerge, bud up, or blossom out. Green, it's nature's dominating color, the color that stays around for all seasons. But its peak predominant time to show off is early spring. We become surrounded by the eruption of a new season's offerings with a succession of blooms, providing a glorious visual symphony of beauty and color orchestrated by our great Creator's hand. As nature's neutral, green blends well with all the other colors, providing them the perfect backdrop, and offers each one its own special and specific time of show and beauty. Green provides a breath of freshness and newness to our surroundings and brings back life to the sleepy, dormant gardens of winter. These first notes of spring invigorate us and often put us in the mood to reset for the warmer months ahead. A time to invite fresher and sweeter aromas such as mint and citrus back into our kitchens and change up our menus to a lighter, less fussy version of home-cooked cuisine. It's also a time that gives those of us who are gardeners opportunity to reconnect with the soil by sowing seeds and planting, anticipating the fresh, off-the-vine harvest in the months ahead, and provides a time for us to tidy up and clear away the decaying debris from winter. March is also known as the month of our American celebration of St. Patrick's Day, which includes gussying up and strutting the color green in order to avoid little green mischievous leprechauns from pinching us, green shamrocks that represent Christianity's Holy Trinity, four-leaf clovers that supposedly provide luck if you're lucky enough to find one, and an Irish feast that consists of corned beef and sauerkraut or cabbage. Where the Emerald Isle does embrace the folklore of many of these, the real celebration is to give acknowledgement to St. Patrick himself. And the authentic Irish feast was and is beef stews with vegetables and cold cannon, a dish of potatoes mixed with cabbage or kale. Meats were cured bacon or pork, but no corned beef was on the menu. Corned beef became a replacement meat here in the U.S. when the Irish immigrants came to the Lower East Side of New York many years ago. Pork at that time was pricey and unaffordable, but corned beef was readily available and affordable in many Jewish delicatessens in the area. Two of the most popular desserts on the menu at most of our St. Patty's Day celebrations are chocolate Guinness brownies and chocolate Guinness cake, both made with dark Guinness beer, which lends to its dark, fudgy texture and to the bitter notes to balance the sweetness. It also gives richness and enhances the chocolate-flavored profile of the cakes. For our St. Patrick's Day celebration here at home, we'll indulge in a feast of smoked sliced brisket resting on a bed of marbled rye, toasted in an iron skillet with butter, topped with Swiss cheese, sauerkraut, and Thousand Island dressing. The complimentary sides we've chosen for our sandwich today will be a side of chips or crinkle-cut fries and some kosher dill pickles. And we'll satisfy our sweet tooth with an easy triple-layered chocolate Guinness cake smothered in cream cheese frosting, a feast that will surely make others green with envy. I hope you'll try these recipes. They make a simple but filling and easy meal for your celebration or just for a party of two. The Reuben is tasty and will satisfy all the flavors of a delicious Irish meal. And if you have a love for the dark, rich flavors of chocolate, the chocolate Guinness cake will be sure to please your palate. Whether you celebrate this holiday or not, I would encourage you to cook something delicious to share with your family or friends. Pause momentarily from the everyday busyness of life and step outdoors to just enjoy and savor the green gifts that are given to us during this season. And maybe, just maybe, if you're really, really lucky, you might catch a glimpse of a little green leprechaun attempting his playful shenanigans. But be sure you've got your green on so you don't get pinched. I'll leave the recipes for the Reuben sandwich and the chocolate Guinness cake in the description box for your convenience. I hope your St. Patrick's Day celebration will be a fun and enjoyable one. And if you're staying in to celebrate, these are 2 quick and easy but satisfying and delicious dishes to try. Please like, subscribe, and share. And until next time, as the Irish say, may the road rise up to meet you, may the wind be always at your back, may the sun warm up your face, and the rains fall soft upon your fields. Happy St. Patrick's Day to you all.